Hello guys, welcome to another unboxing. So this time it's an Edifice watch from Casio, which I thought of having in my collection, so I got it from Amazon. So let's dig right in. Box within a box. Okay. So here's the watch box. This is the receipt. So yeah. So the model number is S560DB EFS. So this is Edifice S560DB. It doesn't look to be a brand new piece. It seems to be an open box item. Let us see. So there's the watch. What is all this? Sapphire crystal solar technology. And this is just for the demo. You can stand this up. These type of packaging used to come in the 80s, where on top of VCR they had the sticker which you can stand it up and you can demo it. Then there is this warranty card, 2 years warranty. Sorry, it's a 3 years warranty. Membership pack, extended warranty on register online. Okay. Product of purchase. Okay, fine. So I'll register this online, and this is the warranty card. It has been snuck inside. What to do if your watch does not operate normally. So these are all the paperwork. Nothing extra fancy feature on the watch. So this watch comes with the tag, as you can see. Nice. And then 17,995, so that's the MRP. And this pillow also is of really nice quality. Let me just remove this. Tag goes there, and the watch, you just need to sapphire crystal, dial is sapphire. Yep. And then the watch is on low, so probably this needs to be charged. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take this off, put it here. Seems to be sticking okay. So this is the watch, guys. So I need to remove 2 links for this watch to fit me. Yeah. So as you can see, looks pretty decent. Edifice. Yep. So here is Edifice S560DB. Thank you all for watching. Have a great day ahead. See you in the next one.